All right, we're checking out this Kenworth with the Cummins. Pretty much customer stated it didn't start, or it would, start and turn off. I was gonna hook up the computer, had to check engine light, but what I'm noticing is there's no communication. You can see it doesn't show the mileage, and we have a def light flashing red. So for me, that's no communication. So I didn't even bother to continue trying to connect. I was gonna start off with the fuses. So I came out to the fuse box, checked out the ECM power. You can see we're getting a 5.1, so we're not getting a full power. Come over here, 5.1 as well. If I give this power, you hear everything turn on, but as of right now, we're not getting a power. So we're gonna see what's going on. So we came to the batteries. We're probed into one of the larger battery cables. We're getting power, but what did catch my attention was this terminal right here. I was checking the terminals out, and this one right here has a lot of corrosion. The boot is out and everything, so that one spoke to me more. We're gonna probe the two wires coming out of it. You can see right there we're getting a 4.5. If we probe the other one, getting a 4.5 as well. So I think this is gonna probably be our issue, this corrosion. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off and inspect it, see if anything could be done with it, and then we'll go from there. So corrosion aside, well, this is what it's looking like. We're gonna try to clean that up as best as possible. But what I did notice is, because I wanted to pull the cable out all the way to get a better chance at cleaning it, you can see this was in the terminal, right, like that, but the other side was just hanging. Pretty sure this was another cause of the issue as well. So this side is good. We're gonna just clean that one up as best as possible, put it back, and I'm pretty sure it should work right there. Also forgot to mention, customers stated they changed the batteries. I did recommend double checking it before having to come out, but I think that's where we're at right now. So I'm gonna get this done, and pretty sure it should start up. All right, so she started up. No more def light flashing. Getting power.